Okay, now I want to remind you what the identity matrix is. It's just like the number one. Number one has a property that when you multiply any other number by the number one, it doesn't change the original number. Multiplying by one doesn't do anything. That's exactly what the identity matrix does. When you multiply a matrix by the identity matrix, nothing happens. And it doesn't matter whether you multiply that matrix on the right side or the left side by the identity. Nothing is going to happen. Now, you know that matrices are always square matrices. They have the same number of rows as columns. And the way you identify them is they have ones across the diagonal and zeros everywhere else. So I'm going to demonstrate for you here two examples where we're going to multiply a matrix by the identity. First, we're going to multiply on the left by the identity. Then we're going to multiply on the right by the identity. First, we're going to multiply the 2 by 2 identity, 1001, times 3 down below 5, 4 down below 6. Now, first of all, we'll check to see if we can do this multiplication. Check the inner entries. Let's see. This is a 2 by 2, and this is a 2 by 2. The inner entries are both 2. They match. Yes, we can do the multiplication. And the outer entries will be the order of the solution, the product. It is also going to be a 2 by 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and distribute the first row 1 and 0 across the top of the first matrix down the first column and put the entry in the upper left corner. That's 1 times 3 plus 0 times 5 gives us 3. And then we get 4, then we get 5, then we get 6, which is exactly the second matrix unchanged. So we multiplied that matrix by the identity on the left and nothing changed. And we did it very carefully. We distributed the multiplication and we saw that nothing changed. Now let's do the same thing with the same matrix but multiplying by the identity on the right side. So 3 times 1 plus 4 times, well, check to see if you can do the multiplication. Yes, it's going to be a 2 by 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 4 times 0 gives you 3 in the upper right corner. Then, well, look, you just go ahead and do the multiplication. You're going to get exactly the same matrix back. You're going to get a 3, and then to the right you're going to get a 4, then down below a 5, and then to the right you're going to get a 6. So in both cases, when we multiplied by identity, it left our original matrix unchanged.